this video, I'll be showing you how to top up PayPal account. In this case, how do we top up our PayPal account? Well, first thing we need to do here is we need to open up PayPal and log in into our account. Now, once logged in, what we need to do is we need to access our wallet. So at the bottom right of your screen, go ahead and click on wallet. And from here, the first thing you need to do here is you need to first add some payment method. In this case, go ahead and click on balance here under wallet. And from here, you should be able to see your current PayPal balance. In this case, if you see the bank and card section at the previous page, make sure to add your card or bank first. So in this case, choose banks or debit card or credit cards here. And once you've added your payment method, like for example, a debit or credit card here, you have the option to either scan on it or enter the details manually. And once you've added those details, go ahead and open up the balance option here. And in this page, you'll have the option that says cash in or add cash. But in this case, not all countries actually support cashing in or adding funds into your PayPal account. In this case, if you see the option or if you do not see the option here, unfortunately, PayPal or PayPal Cash In is not yet available in your country, which is something really unfortunate. But in this case, if you do see it, it's good for you. You can go ahead and start using it. But that's about it. So if you're looking for alternatives of actually adding funds into your PayPal balance here, we actually have an alternative save on that. So make sure to check our channel. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.